Today we're going to talk about writing and evaluating numbers in standard and exponential form. Powers and exponents are how you do this. A power is an expression written in exponential form that includes a base and an exponent. The base is the big guy, the big number. This is the number that is to be multiplied by itself however many times the exponent tells it to, the factor. The exponent is the creepy little guy in the upper right-hand corner, the one that wears the pants in the relationship and tells the base what to do. It tells how many times we are to multiply the base by itself. For example, in 3 to the 4th power, you would write out the 3, the base, 4 times. This is also known as standard form. A number is written without exponents. Evaluate is just another way to say find the answer. Squared, any number raised to the 2nd power, and cubed is any number raised to the 3rd power. Since this is a fairly easy lesson, I'm just going to go ahead and show you some examples of how to solve these problems so that tomorrow when you come into class, you can just start working and not have any trouble at all. You're going to see some problems already written in exponential form. For example, 7 to the 5th power. Your job will be to write it out in standard form. So I'm going to write the base 7 5 times. You don't even need to answer it. Same thing with the second one. 5 to the 2nd power would be 5 times 5. Never, ever, ever, never, ever, never, never, ever, ever, never multiply the base times the exponent. 7 times 5, don't do it. 5 times 2, don't do it. You'll get the wrong answer. It's very tempting, and it will happen, but I am here to tell you not to do that. The next part is to actually write them out. Once again, 1 times 1 times 1. 2 to the 5th would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then finally, they give you a challenge problem. Negative 1 to the 1/2 to the 2nd power would be negative 1/2 times negative 1/2. Here again, they're telling you now to evaluate each expression. So to evaluate, you just want to go ahead and answer it. Here you would write out 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and then solve it. Don't use the calculator. 8 times 8 times 8. And then solve these. 10 times 10 would be 100. 7 times 7 times 7, 343. And 1 to the 7th power would just be 1. Be careful on these. Please remember, never multiply the base times the exponent. It's very tempting. You're also going to see where it's already written in standard form, and your job is to put it back into exponential form. In this case, your base would be the 3. And you can see, that it's written out 4 times, so your exponent would be the 4. 3 to the 4th power. Take a guess. What's that one going to be? If you said 10 to the 4th, you're right. And the last one? 12 to the 6th. Good job if you're getting these. Pretty simple. Here you can take some time, pause the video, try these, and when you come back, I will have all of the answers revealed. And there you go. When you come back tomorrow, we are going to be working on some of these as well as a lesson from 1.2. Great job. See you tomorrow.